big clap to Osho, Rajneesh. Very big clap to him. I consider myself as an younger brother to Osho, and Osho is my elder brother. What a giant of a personality. What a magnificent fearlessness. What else is spirituality if not fearlessness? Can you compare yourself in fearlessness can you compare yourself with Osho? If you can compare, then you are Osho. You don't have to exhibit your fearlessness, but you have to be fearless. You don't have to exhibit your enlightenment, but you have to be enlightened. It's not a question of exhibition. He was not exhibiting his fearlessness, he was playing with his fearlessness. So, Pyramid Spiritual Society movement has evolved because of a Theosophical Society movement, Lobsang Rampa's so many great books, and Osho's great literature.